Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, join me as we take a walking tour of Hong Kong. The weather in Hong Kong is insanely hot. I just took the Star Ferry from Kowloon over to Central. I checked the guide and saw there's a big Ferris wheel here, so I got super excited and came to give it a try just to check it out. Come on, let me show you a full view of the Ferris wheel. Alright, I'm on the Ferris wheel now. Join me for a full spin. Right ahead is the famous Victoria Harbour. The weather is really nice today, blue skies and blue waters. Let's lift the anchor, set the sail, and start the ride. This angle is great, you can clearly see the Star Ferry at the Central Pier.
Across the way are the towering skyscrapers of Kowloon. The bustling heart of Hong Kong is all in view.
Oh, I just caught a few ladies up ahead on camera.
It's absolutely stunning. The Hong Kong observation will stand 60 meters tall, perched right on the Central Harbourfront between Central Piers 9 and 10. It was built in 2014, construction started around May, finished September, and the wheel officially opened to the public on the 5th of December 2014. It has 42 enclosed, air-conditioned gondolas, very important under Hong Kong's hot or humid weather, and there's even a VIP gondola with leather seats and a glass bottom floor for a fancier ride. Each ride lasts about 15 to 20 minutes, giving you ample time to enjoy sweeping panoramic views of Victoria Harbour, the city skyline of Hong Kong Island, and across to Kowloon, day or night. The passengers are boarding now, it's moving a bit slowly. But while we wait, let's take this chance to enjoy the view of Victoria Harbour. We're usually so busy, so sometimes slowing down a bit isn't such a bad thing after all.
日子长着呢，下次再来也一样。你还没下班呢？那还不能去，那还不能去，那还不能去。这地方这游乐园。回来人啥了？跟他们坐船上过来，跟他这边是多忙，跟那边呢，坐船从这边来。是不是有点去？坐在那边了。偶尔吃饭。
On this trip, I went to Taiwan with a tour group to Sun Moon Lake. There were also fellow travelers from Hong Kong in the same group, and they said, "Hey, Taiwan is actually pretty close to Hong Kong. Why didn't you just come here too?" That totally threw me off at the time, but thinking about it later, they had a point. Life doesn't always need to be overplanned. It's better to go with the flow and follow your heart. So, here I am. A fellow passenger who just rode the Ferris wheel with me told me that the open top tour bus we saw earlier does night tour of Hong Kong. Sounds pretty awesome, and I'm planning to give it a try. I'm a pretty easygoing person. All right, time to get off. A few more spins and I'm going to get dizzy. Just got off the Ferris wheel, and right by the street there's this vintage-style ice cream truck called Fugui. My name's Wong Fugui, so I joked with the owner, "Hey, you owe me some copyright fees for using my name." The owner didn't even react, totally ignored me, like I was nothing. But I still bought some ice cream from him. I'm easygoing and don't hold grudges. This ice cream is super cheap, just a little over 10 Hong Kong dollars. For Hong Kong prices, it doesn't get any lower than this. Looks like even the locals here love a good bargain. The shop owner is a bit slow. I've been waiting for quite a while. Let's take a moment to enjoy the full view of the Ferris wheel. You can't see the whole picture when you're right in the middle of it. Watching this beautiful Ferris wheel spin lifts my spirits. It even feels like it's curing my depression. Just kidding, I'm an easygoing person. To relax, to be depressed. I've got to say, this cheap ice cream is actually super delicious. Let me walk over to the waterfront and enjoy it slowly for you all. I've lived in New Zealand for a long time, but being in Hong Kong feels surprisingly natural. It's like a fish back in water or a duck on a stove. Maybe it's because I used to live in Beijing. I'm used to the hustle and bustle of a big city like this. I have this talent. No matter where I am, I just take it easy, eating, drinking, having fun, completely carefree. Sweet treats really do make people happy. Do you guys have anything unhappy going on in your lives? Drop it in the comments, let me read it and cheer myself up a bit. Happiness is often a matter of comparison. If you're rich, but everyone just flatters you with no real comparison, or if you live unnoticed out in the countryside of New Zealand, your sense of happiness probably wouldn't be very high. But your sense of happiness would be much higher if you lived in a 100 square meter apartment in Hong Kong because there's always someone to envy you and someone to compare with. But in New Zealand, living in a house that's a few hundred square meters isn't unusual, so people's sense of happiness isn't as strong as that of a 100 square meter apartment owner in Hong Kong because you don't really stand out. So whether we feel happy or not really comes down to mindset and comparison. Do you agree? If not, go ahead and roast me in the comments. So I think being happy is just being happy. It doesn't really need anyone else's approval, and it doesn't need any comparisons. I feel like people in Hong Kong work way too hard. Life is short, why push yourself so hard? Life is short, and you can't take money with you when you're born or when you die, right? People don't only die when they get old, death can come at any moment. Enjoy life, don't get caught up in the rat race. Hong Kong is a beautiful city. In a few days, I'll be off to Kaohsiung to live it up. Thanks everyone for watching.